What's up, pumpkin heads? This week I'm going to be showing you how our plant's doing. We possibly have 2 pumpkins set and I need your help this week. So this week I'm going to show you the 2 pumpkins we have possibly set right now. One's on day 21 at 10 feet out and it measures about 45 inches in circumference. Or we just pollinated one about 4 days ago and it's 25 feet out. And that one seems like it took, we'll give it a couple more days, but I'll show you both those pumpkins, the plant health. But I want you guys, the viewers, to put in the comment below which pumpkin we think we should go with, because I'm having a tough time deciding. I'll give you the pros and cons to each in this video, and we'll make a decision together this week. So let's get to it. All right, starting at the rear of the plant here. The plant's about 30 feet long today. You can see way down the other end. I had to extend the patch, but overall plant health is pretty good. Today I'll be spraying some systemic fungicides. Leaf health looking pretty good. The older leaves here, you can see right there, some of the older ones are starting to show their age a little bit, but I think it could be a potassium deficiency because the pumpkin's starting to really pull some nutrients from the soil. So I ordered some, as I think CalMag, it's a high potassium fertilizer from Wow Organic Wonder. So we're gonna try that. That'll be in, I think, today or tomorrow. So I'm gonna up the potassium, and that might help the leaf issue. That's what some people think. If you know what that is, let me know in the comment section below for sure. But I'm snaking out the secondaries here behind the plant. I'm just trying to fill in as much as I can, utilize all the space I can here. Let's just take a look at the stump real quick. Stump looks pretty good. I need to weed, obviously, these weeds out of here, pull them out. It's an ongoing battle, but it's dry. It's not rotting or anything, but I need to clean that up a little bit. That's this week's task. I actually got this tertiary vine here that wants to come out. I'm gonna actually leave that tertiary. I lost a couple secondaries. It seems like they got stunted. So what tertiary is off your secondary vines, tertiaries will come out. And typically you like to trim those off, but in this instance, I'm just gonna leave on a few just to build up some more leaf canopy. And I'm gonna walk around here, see I'm still snaking them out, up and around, but looking pretty good. So I was saying before in the intro, I need your help. So without further ado, here's our one of our pumpkins here. And I know I gotta put sand, and I really didn't think I was gonna be keeping this pumpkin. But I might be keeping it. I'll have to move that secondary. I'll have to turn this. I mean, the position's not great. I would have to raise up the vine. I have to do a little bit of work here. So in your decision, let me know what you think. But yeah, I gotta remove this leaf. I gotta do some work. I really didn't think I'd be keeping that pumpkin, but the shape is decent. It's growing about, I don't know, 4 inches in circumference a day, which is pretty good. It's about 45 inches in circumference. So there's the pumpkin. The stump is right there. We have all this plant still in front of it. Got some more secondaries over in that corner, over there. So that's option number 1. So yeah, it's a hard decision. And I'm going to show you the next one we have here. So I just pollinated this one over here. This is DAP 4. Days after pollination is DAP. So we say in short, DAP. This is my fist right here. I mean, it's about for, I don't know, 6 or 7 inches in circumference. I haven't measured it, but look at all that plant behind it. So the theory is, the more plant you have behind the pumpkin, you're gonna get a bigger fruit. And I got these secondaries here. I gotta train them and expand my pumpkin patch. Yes, I know. But Got a lot of secondaries popping out here, but this one would be a little easier. So then your decision, if this one was to take, I could turn this main vine, because it's not very long past the fruit. I could turn this vine, give it way more room. I could set up a nice bed of sand here. I can get into it nice and easy. That one back there is a little bit more tricky to get to, but it is bigger and it is kind of established, so I'm kind of torn what I want to do. And right there, you can see this is the back end of the pumpkin. It's tipping back a little bit. I released that taproot. It's looking pretty good, shiny. It definitely took. But yeah, so it's either pumpkin number 1 or pumpkin number 2. I don't know, my gut's telling me pumpkin number 2. But something else is telling me to ride out this one because it's an earlier pollination. And I've never really pollinated one that early. The plant health is good. I think I could really push this maybe to 700 pounds, 700 to 1,000 pounds if I can keep this plant going. But like I said, from there to that stump, it's really not that far. But up there, we got a few more secondaries, so it's hard to say. So let me know what you guys think, and then we'll make a decision. So also, if you're an experienced grower, let me know how many days I should wait. I'd say about 10 days if for what I know and how much I've researched and everything else. I mean, my years of growing, I'd say wait about 10 days, make sure that really is set, because I don't want to cut that fruit off and we have no pumpkin if that one was to abort right after that. So that's this week's update. So hopefully by next week we're down to 1. That'd be ideal. So plant health is good. Tonight I'm going to be spraying some systemic fertilizer, fungicide, and I'll be doing some weeding over here. But overall plant health is good. So thanks for joining me this week. Like and subscribe to our page, and like I said, leave a comment below on which pumpkin we should keep. Stay tuned.